Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security here. Today we've got a Ford Fiesta 2017. We've just installed the Qvia V790 front and rear HD dash cams. Let me show you the installation. I'll show you the back first of all. Okay, so you've got the rear camera just there, full HD, and the front one is just behind the rear view mirror, just there, full HD, and I've got it connected to the phone as well. So that's got the rear showing at the moment through the Wi-Fi app, and let's just switch that to the front. And that should flick over there. That's your front just there. If you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle, feel free to give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.